Can you open this for me? Can you?
For a lot of people, getting a tattooed is maybe like a little rite of passage or a little.
Shawnee's standing up.
Ow!
Okay, smile.
Our clients decide
So close.
and 99% of the time they're willing to listen. You know, if it's not offensive to me.
Look! Mine stands up really high.
Does it?
Yeah. Look, and he jumps.
Smile.
We take a lot of people's bad times, whether it be an accident or something worse, sort of a disaster, and we try to, erase them.
Hello, Shawnee.
By putting new ones. We try to take something that may be ugly to somebody and make it beautiful.
You want to be on it, do you? Say hello.
Hello.
Say, I love you.
Where's Shawnee? Because I want to see him.
Hang on, say, I love you.
I love you.
It's pink.
There he is.
It's gorgeous.
I love you.
Hello. Ow.
Okay.